Open up your class booklet, this one here. Take that out. Go to page 8. This class booklet to page 8. We're going over what a rubric is and how it can help you. A project rubric is a checklist for what you need to do to get the grade that you desire. You go down the column, and this column lists everything that is needed. Over here it tells what the item is, and in here it tells what needs to be done for that item. An example, for this project, which is the MLA practice, the margins need to be 1 inch on all sides. Now this training on rubrics works for all rubrics, not just the MLA practice. I just happen to be using this one because it's our first project. But this is a general idea of how all rubrics work. Okay, on pages, there need to be 3. Now, not only look at the column of all the things that need to get done, be sure that you look at the other columns for things that should not be done. If there are more than 3 pages, you will receive a D. If you have improper margins, you will receive a D. On spelling errors, if there are no spelling errors, you'll get an A. If you have 1 spelling error, you'll have a B. If you have more than 1 spelling error, you'll receive a D. Now this is for the entire project. So if you miss one of these items, you will receive that grade. Here's another example. My own last name should be in the footer at the right and include the page numbers. If it's not in the footer, I will give you a C, which means if you have all this other stuff correct and you did not do one of these and it falls in the C column, you receive a C for that project. Now here's a good thing. For every single one of these items, there is a video for you. So there can be no question left standing on how to do each of these items. And also there's a sample for each project along with your rubric. So use this rubric to your advantage. Go through each one. Don't just check it and say, yeah, I did it. Actually read it and make sure that not only are you doing everything in this column, but you're also avoiding all the items in this column. And that will ensure your outstanding success.